If YouTube is suddenly not playing properly in Opera, or you're seeing playback errors, buffering issues, black screens, or videos that simply refuse to load, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Opera YouTube playback error step by step, and I'll also show you how to check whether the issue is actually on YouTube's side before you change anything in your browser. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get straight into it. First, before you change any browser settings, it's a good idea to check whether YouTube is having a wider outage. Open your browser and search for YouTube on DownDetector. What you want to look for is a sudden, sharp spike in concurrent user reports. If you see a major spike, that usually means the problem is not just your Opera browser or your device. In that case, your local settings are probably completely fine, and the issue may be on YouTube's end. If a global outage is happening, the best fix is to wait for YouTube's engineering team to deploy a back-end patch. There's nothing you need to change locally until the service comes back. Now, if DownDetector looks normal and the issue seems to be on your side, the next step is to adjust Opera's hardware settings. In Opera, go to Settings, then Open System. Look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Turn that setting off and then click the Relaunch button so the browser restarts with the new setting applied. This is one of the most effective fixes for YouTube playback problems in Opera because hardware acceleration can sometimes conflict with video rendering and cause lag, glitches, or failed playback. After Opera restarts, go back to YouTube and test the video again. If the issue is still there, the next step is to clear the site data for YouTube. While you are on YouTube, click the padlock icon on the far left side of the address bar. From the menu that appears, select Site Settings, or in some versions, Cookies and Site Data. Then click the Clear Data button. This removes cached permissions and stored data for YouTube in Opera, which can often fix broken sessions, corrupted cookies, and weird playback behavior. Once that is done, return to the YouTube page and force a clean reload. The easiest way to do this is by holding down Ctrl and F5 at the same time. This tells the browser to request completely fresh streaming packets instead of reusing old cached content. In many cases, this final refresh is enough to get YouTube working normally again in Opera. So, just to recap, first check DownDetector for a possible YouTube outage, then disable hardware acceleration in Opera and relaunch, then clear YouTube site data using the padlock menu, and finally force a clean reload with Ctrl plus F5. These steps solve most Opera YouTube playback errors without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please hit the like button, subscribe for more simple browser fixes, and leave a comment if you want help with another Opera or YouTube problem. Thanks for watching.